Hello everyone, my name is jron43 and today we're going to be doing one of our science experiments. So welcome back to Science with Jay. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and mix milk with water and we're gonna see what happens. So for this experiment you're going to need milk. Now, I use Altadena reduced fat milk. I'm not sure if the results are very different depending on what kind of milk you use, but I'm going to go ahead and use Altadena just because, you know, it's quite standard in terms of milk. And then here's just water. It is in a glass bottle, but it is from the sink. I've put it in the fridge to make it cold, to make it a little more fun. Also, we're going to want to have a cup measuring system, and also, I'll talk about this a little more later, but we're going to might want to have some hand soap there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is take your milk and go ahead and pour it in to the container. Until you try to get as close as you can to 1 cup. You see, this is probably pretty close. I may be a little bit less, but that's okay for this experiment. It's not too imperative that we have it exactly 1 cup of milk or water. So let's go ahead and pour it into the bowl, shall we? Alright, so there's the first half of the experiment. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the water and just go ahead and pour it in to the cup measuring system. Again, please just try to get as close as you can to 1 cup. As you can see, I got a little bit more than 1 cup, but let's just go ahead and put it in anyway. Okay, here we go. Then you're going to want to swish it around, and there you have it. The kids will love this experiment. As you can see, it looks just like milk, but if you look closer, it's kind of a little bit more clear than milk. Also, it's a little bit less sort of dense, I would say, less creamy too. It's a lot of fun. All the kids will love it. So there you have it. That's the milk and water experiment. Oh yeah, one last thing, guys. If you want to make it a little more fun for the kids, I highly recommend soft soap milk, protein, and honey, because when you add it in, it just makes it a little more fun. Let me show you what I mean. So we're gonna take it here, put a little squirt, maybe like, let's say 3 squirts, okay? No more than 3, because then, you know, you might have enough. Make sure you use soft soap too, because I don't know if any of the other soaps really work. I've never done it. You can go ahead and try it, but I guess you should go safe and just go ahead and use soft soap, milk, and protein. It's a lot better, especially because if you see right here, it's moisturizing hand soap. So because of the moisture, it's going to really add a lot to the experiment. So here we go. I don't have a spoon with me right now, but let me go get one, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, once you have your spoon, just go ahead and mix it in, I suppose. Try to mix it really good. The kids love this. You can let them do this part too. It's lots of fun, trust me. Okay, so here we have our slightly bubbly water milk. Thank you so much for watching. It's a great experiment. I highly recommend it for all your kids, you know, in the class. Remember Altadena milk and soft soap for your soap and milk selections. Make sure you do that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe.